What are the user flows in user experience UX design? The concept of flow in UX design was first coined by the psychologist Mihaly. He deemed it a highly focused mental state where the user is fully immersed in what they are doing and the task they aim to accomplish. It is often referred to as being in the zone. User flows help designers understand and anticipate the cognitive patterns of our users in order to create products that enable this state of flow. User flows, UX flows, or flow charts, as they are sometimes called, are diagrams that display the complete path a user takes when using a product. The user flows lays out the user's movement through the product, mapping out each and every step the user takes from entry point right through to the final interaction. In this post, we'll be discussing several aspects of user flows to gain a better understanding of what they are and how they are used in the design process. We've broken our guide down into the following sections. What are user flows? Why do we use user flows? Type of user flows charts. Where do user flows fit into the UX design process? Key takeaways. What are user flows? There are many different pathways a user can take when interacting with a product. A user flow is a visual representation, either written out or made digitally, of the many avenues that can be taken when using an app or website. The flow chart begins with the consumer's entry point on the product, like an onboarding or signing up for an account. Depreciating this process allows designers to evaluate and optimize the user experience and therefore increase client conversion rates. Each touchpoint on the user's journey is represented by a node in the flow chart. These nodes are characterized by shape, and each shape indicates a particular process. For instance, a diamond means a decision is being made and is therefore followed by yes and no arrows. A rectangle indicates a task or action that needs to be taken, like login or purchase. Why do we use user flows in UX design? Now that we've established what UX flows are, we can look into why they are so beneficial to the design process. Studying the user flows or website or app can prove useful whether you are designing a brand new product or revamping an old one. Create an initiative interface. The main benefit of designing a product where users can get in the zone quickly is the ability to increase the probability of a user purchasing or signing up from the client product. Another benefit is enhancing the ease of movement through your platform, making sure that users' time isn't being wasted looking for what to do next. Of course, there is often more than one route a user could follow to complete the task. User follows portray these possible patterns in a way that makes it easy for designers to access the efficiency of the interface they are creating. Evaluate existing interfaces.